Salt Lake City is a booming rental market. But even in a hot market, being a landlord isn't always smooth sailing. What happens when the water heater fails or the roof leaks during a snowstorm? That's where a reserve fund comes in. Let's talk about protecting your investment before a crisis hits. No matter how well you maintain your rental, surprises will happen. A strong reserve fund helps you cover costs quickly, so you can fix problems before they drive tenants away or your budget into chaos. Think of your reserve fund like an insurance policy for your cash flow. Instead of scrambling for money or raising rent suddenly, you'll have a cushion ready. It keeps your income predictable and your investment stable, even during a vacancy. So how much should you set aside? Start with 5 to 10% of your monthly rent income. Over time, aim for a reserve that covers 3 to 6 months of operating expenses. If your property is older, plan on saving more to stay ahead of costly repairs. Your reserve fund isn't just for disasters. It covers ongoing maintenance, appliance replacements, legal fees, unexpected vacancies, and rising costs like insurance or property taxes. It's your all-in-one financial backup plan. At Tier 1 Real Estate, we help Salt Lake City landlords build smart reserve funds and keep properties profitable. Don't wait for the next emergency. Get peace of mind today. Contact us for a free consultation and start protecting your investment the right way.